Winter is almost here, so does the festive season. It's perfect time to do some festive nail art. I'm starting my festive nail art with Snowflakes nail art as usual. So in today's video, I'm going to do Snowflakes Pond nail art using Born Pretty stamping plate. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat. After base coat, I'm applying base polish, and as a base polish, I'm using Born Pretty Mica nail polish in shade A Step Far. It's a jelly based bluish grey nail polish. I'm going to stamp snowflakes using the Snowflakes L001 stamping plate from Born Pretty. This stamping plate has several images of snowflakes which are perfect for negative space snowflakes nail art or minimal snowflakes nail art. I really love this plate. If you want to purchase this stamping plate, then you can purchase it from the official website of Born Pretty store. I will attach the link in the description box. I'm stamping two tiny snowflakes image over base polish with grey stamping polish. After stamping first two snowflakes, I am applying a sheer grey polish which I made and used last year for my Frozen 2 nail art. But by mistake, I have added too many nail polish thinner and mixed clear nail polish in this polish. That's why it's not giving me perfect opacity just like last year. So over those two snowflakes, I have applied second coat of A Step Far, which is my base polish, and it's not looking that bad at all. What do you think? After applying second coat of my base polish, I have applied two more snowflakes with silver polish over second coat of base polish along with those tiny snowflakes. These silver snowflakes are little bigger than those grey snowflakes. And then I have stamped one big snowflakes with a dark blue stamping polish along with other snowflakes. To fill up those gaps, I have added tiny snowflakes and added tiny dots with blue polish. After done with stamping nail art, I have applied a water-based top coat as a smudge-proof top coat, and when my water-based top coat dries out completely, I have applied a gel look top coat to give my manicure a plumpy and glossy look. On rest of my nails, I have applied a dark blue glittery nail polish, and here is the final look of my manicure. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts about this nail art in the comment section. Share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video with another festive nail art. Bye bye.